Okay. So, for example, if we have something like this, I have on the back side here and also on the front here, you can kind of see it. There's split, right? So the tools I have are a welder and a sawzall and a grinder. What you'll want to do for something like this, basically take it off the exhaust hangers. They do make tools for this. Here's another one in the back there. Instead of just straight, going all the way up there and then dealing with those, well, not up there, but a little bit further up and get the bolts all the way up there, which are also going to be screwed. What you can do is, for what I do is, if you're a good enough welder, I'm going to cut right here and I'll show you. And that's going to give us access to this because the fuel tank is right behind that towel. And we don't want to do that. Now, the main thing is I don't want to do up here because that's going to be a piss. Well, that's going to be a pain in the butt weld. Here's a little close. So I'm going to shoot right about here and I'll show you here in a minute. Hopefully you can see that. If not, you'll be all right. All right. Safety squints on, your plug's in. So right about there. Give us a little trouble. I got her. Here we go. So right there. And she is going to give you a little trouble sometimes if you got a sawzall. That's all right. See it there. We got it. All right, so we got it off. Right where my foot is the bottom. So this is that side, and you can see where I ground it out. I actually took out some of that. That's actually gas material in there. Rule of thumb is ground out the area where the weld toe is going to be, which is the outside of the weld, and then give yourself about as much as same thickness. So on like a 3/8 weld, give yourself another 3/8. But this is exhaust work. The main thing is just to make sure it holds. This here should hold this side. This here, so right in there, that flange is actually, I'll show you here. It's broken a little bit. So we're going to actually weld all the way, run a stringer all the way out here and then up and in because I'm not so sure about that bolt. And then same thing on this side here. It goes all the way around. So another rule is if our, right about the center of the camera there, right about where our crack ends, you want to run past that a good maybe 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch. That'll give you the added strength. So I'll be back and I'm going to weld it.